Hey everybody, I'm JJ Johnson. You're watching Reality Survival. So today what I wanted to do is I just want to show you what I think is the best way to load a home defense shotgun. A lot of people think a home defense shotgun is, the best choice for home defense, and I think it's definitely right up there in the top one or two, maybe three. I also like a 9mm pistol for various reasons I've talked about in a past video, but I think a 12 gauge shotgun is definitely a great option. And there's a lot of different ways that you can configure this, but I think this way is a safe way, and it's also a way that will be able to get you into action quickly. So the first thing I need to say before I go any further is that I do recommend that if you have children in the home, then I recommend that you keep your guns locked up in a safe. I'll throw in a picture here of the kind of safe that I use, and what I do is I just put this behind my door in my bedroom. That way the door is closed, I can access the safe, pull the gun out, and then proceed through to deal with whatever is there or whatever the case may be. So anyway, there's a lot of different options for storage, but that's just my recommendation. Anyway, we'll go ahead and get started with this. So I'm just using a CZ612 for this demonstration here. And basically all we're going to do is we are going to start with the chamber open and the safety off. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the chamber forward. Then I'm going to load in my shells. The shells that I use is the Winchester PDX-1. And they do have quite a bit of penetration, but they have amazing stopping power, so I think they're great rounds. So anyway, I'm going to load this up like this. So now I have it loaded and the safety is off, and that is how it's going to be stored in the safe. And the reason I do that is because then all I have to do is open the safe, grab the gun, rack around into the chamber, and it's ready to go. I don't got to think about anything else, because this is an emergency gun. The only reason I'm getting this out is if somebody's in the house. Okay, so that's the configuration that I would put it into if it were me. Now you can do a lot of other things. You can add flashlights to the end. You can put on a shell holder down here on the buttstock. A lot of different ways you can do it. I like to keep it pretty simple and clean. The one thing I may add is a flashlight at some point, but it's going to have to be a fairly short one because I don't have a lot of distance here. But anyway, guys, that is all I wanted to show you today. So anyway, I will have links to Amazon in the description below for some of the different products, the shell carrier and flashlight attachment and stuff like that, as well as the gun safe. And if you guys use that link, I definitely appreciate it. Those who have been using it, thank you. It does help a lot. And as always, guys, don't forget to live the 6 Ps. Prior preparation prevents poor performance. Stay safe, guys.